Okay, so I took this out right from the skimmer, dump it out here. Probably the easiest, simplest way to do it, right? Clean it out here, a lot of leaves. You could hose this off too. I'll show you how to do that. We'll just hose that off this way out. So I get the big stuff done over here, big stuff here. And let's put it back. I'll hose this off a little later. This guy, make sure you don't have any leaves in there. And if you notice, there's a little flat edge here on both sides because you want to trap it so that it doesn't float up. You're going to turn it a little bit, install it with this flat edge, and then turn it so it locks down. So you're going to put it down here, hold it with the handle, put it down, turn it a little bit till you feel like you can't lift it up anymore. And now I can't really lift up. Just pull gently. You don't have to pull hard. Just enough so it's not floating. If you don't do that, it'll float up. It won't work. So you're going to push it all the way down, turn it to the right till you feel it catch a little bit. Once it catches, it's seated properly. Put that back on. And now let's go to cleaning the filter. I think you should shut it.